Good afternoon to those who listen. It's October 2nd, 2023, 3:29 p.m. And I don't know. I don't know how I think of this stuff, but if you take the words in this alert system message that everybody's supposed to be receiving on October 4th and put it into an anagram form, now taking just the words that are capitalized. This is a test, is all capitalized. Of and the is not. National Wireless Emergency Alert System is capitalized. And the word no. And then action is needed is not capitalized. If you take the TIAT, NWEAL, or TIATNWEASN, put those in an anagram and mix it around, you come up with instant awe. AWE. Not sure if this is a stretch, but I thought it was weird. But if you take it as this is a test, National Wireless Emergency Alert System. No. But if you take it the other way, it's of the action is needed. I don't know. Just throwing that out there. Another weird stuff I think about. Thanks for watching. God bless.